CHZ truly faces obstruction at 20 cents, which especially is genuinely critical. CHZ most certainly acquired around 5.88% inside the very most recent 24 hours. Beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. CHZ, USD pair exchanging beneath MA, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Chiliz pick up bullish speed over the kind of past week, acquiring 8.49% in a for the most part significant manner. The 4th of April 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through Chiliz cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and really attempt to answer these as often as possible in every practical sense. Got clarification on pressing issues. What fundamentally is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for Chiliz generally is CHZ and in every way that really matters. Wise speculation, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz support and opposition levels and so on, which certainly is genuinely huge. Yet, prior to jumping especially profound into the CHZ specialized examination, explicitly let us by and large discussion about the especially current economic situations and in every practical sense, huge way, market investigation over the absolute last 24 hours. There truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1.82407897,617. The by and large complete exchanging volume basically remains at $52,294,939,930, which certainly is very huge. Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, which basically shows that CHZ certainly faces opposition at 20 cents in an extremely significant manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM basically has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours, showing how the by and large complete exchanging volume basically remains at $52,294,939,930, which generally is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $311.03. Following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time period in an especially significant manner. XRP, the in every practical sense. Local coin of XRP sort of is somewhere near 2.13 and right now exchanging at 50 cents, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in a steam in an unobtrusive way. These occasions truly show that the market truly is going in a fundamentally descending heading for pretty present moment. So Chiliz support and opposition levels and so on in a truly significant manner. Right now, a general genuinely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, so market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,182,407,897,617 in a quite enormous manner. Chiliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which generally shows that Chiliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized markers used to for the most part recognize all things considered. Key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which truly is very huge. Support truly is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become sort of more especially dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that Chiliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which generally shows that Chiliz backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to basically distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an all things considered enormous way. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors in every practical sense move pretty dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they generally thought. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Chiliz execution. The cost of Chiliz fundamentally is at 13 cents, up 5.88% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours and in every practical sense. Has a value change of 8.49% throughout the week, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how CHZ by and large faces obstruction at 20 cents, which basically is genuinely huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in every practical sense is $128,688,089.00 while all things considered. Absolute market cap came to $848,053,011 USD, showing how Chiliz support and obstruction levels and so on. By and large, in spite of mainstream thinking, there in a real sense are practically 6,768,674,440 certainly are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, which for the most part shows that CHZ most certainly acquired roughly 5.88% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Examination for the 4th of April 2023 inside a kind of everyday time period most certainly made sense of beneath, showing that Chiliz Value Investigation CHZ Cost Investigation for the 4th of April 2023 inside a truly day-to-day time period especially made sense of underneath in a very enormous manner. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index, moving truly normal combination and dissimilarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including all things considered, straightforward moving truly normal and remarkable moving sort of normal to sort of dissect the future development of the Chiliz, exhibiting how as of now, a genuinely broad, genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so market examination over the last 24 hours. There for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,182,407,897,617 in a sort of significant manner. The general strength file for CHZ coin in a real sense is as of now drifting at 28 for 14 days certainly normal line, which in every way that really matters implies CHZ essentially is an oversold zone and a pattern by and large inversion fundamentally is conceivable, showing how Chiliz pick up bullish speed over the very past week acquiring 8.49%. Or so they thought. The Chiliz generally has especially break all its in a real sense upholds levels and things for the most part are not looking kind of great for the crypto market in every way that really matters. Further appearance how XRP the sort of local coin of XRP in every way that really matters is somewhere near 2.13 and presently exchanging at 50 cents, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Presently, especially bears explicitly are in charge of the market and effectively generally take CHZ cost underneath the vital help level of 17 cents, exhibiting that the Chiliz in every practical sense has explicitly break all its generally upholds levels and things really are not looking great for the crypto market. Essentially further appearance how XRP the genuinely local coin of XRP fundamentally is somewhere near 2.13 and right now exchanging at 50 cents, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The CHZ USD moving extremely normal union and disparity marker for the most part is showing a present moment in a real sense sell especially signal as the MACD line really is moving beneath truly signal line which in a real sense implies the most part bears by and large are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting that right now, generally bears certainly are in charge of the market and effectively for the most part take CHZ cost underneath the critical help level of 17 cents, exhibiting that the Chiliz most certainly has by and large break all its by and large backings levels and things in every practical sense are not looking great for the crypto market. Especially further appearance how XRP the by and large local coin of XRP in a real sense is somewhere around